Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. I am called Noubissi Guilene. You are highly welcome to Dr. David Reproductive Health Channel. Today we'll be talking about an interesting topic known as seven truths people do not know about premature ejaculation and how to deal with this condition. What is premature ejaculation? Premature ejaculation is known as a condition whereby a man reaches orgasm soon after intercourse or immediately after he penetrates the woman. In this condition, what are some of the symptoms that can be known about this condition? This premature ejaculation is asymptomatic. There are no specific signs and symptoms. But then, how will you know you fall within this group of people that are called 1 million men? 1 million men because within 1 minute or 6 minutes, they reach orgasm after intercourse. Simply when during sexual intercourse you find yourself not satisfied about the duration of the intercourse or realize that you are not satisfied with your partner. In another way, you can't control this ejaculation. Now, there are seven truths, or before talking about the seven hidden truths, we need to look at some of the causes of this premature ejaculation. The premature ejaculation can be caused by psychological factors, physical factors, and biological factors. Now, having in mind some of these causes, we should look about seven hidden truths about premature ejaculation. First, we need to know that premature ejaculation does not belong or is not meant for some particular group of people or age group. Out there, people think premature ejaculation is for those who are less experienced in sexual relationship or those who are beginning sexual relationship. No, there are other factors that can trigger this premature ejaculation despite your age group and despite your duration in sexual relationship. The second truth is that premature ejaculation cannot only be controlled by the head. It's not only by the brain. No, there are other conditions like uh, chemical. Let me look at there are some biological factors and there are some disease condition like prostatitis, that is the inflammation of the prostate. This inflammation at this area will cause premature ejaculation. No matter how you think you can control within your mind, it will be difficult. The third thing here is that premature ejaculation is not all about practicing some technique, like having some technique, like squeezing technique. People think that when you feel as to ejaculate and you do what we call withdrawal method, like you remove the penis, it's going to stop the ejaculation. Yeah, it can work in some people and it's highly frustrating for some other men. No. Squeezing technique, some women or some men feel that the man buy their penis, like this is during the, how will I put it, during the intercourse, the movement in and out. Some women are able to squeeze the penis and men think they buy and cause high sensitivity that may cause the man to release. During this period, the man will think, let me withdraw and it will work. It's highly frustrating. But then there are some other ones like relaxation technique or discussion technique. When you feel about reaching this climax, like you want to travel abroad while on bed. That is the moment whereby you are reaching orgasm. You can discuss with your partner. By telling your partner you're about to release, can deviate your mind. Or the partner can give in some aching work that will cause erectile dysfunction. The penis that was erect will lost the erection, and without erection, there is no ejaculation. This condition can now promote an intercourse to last longer and take you away from this 1 minute man that is group. Another way or another condition here is known as Situational method, that is, it happen momentarily, can be a situation. It can occur as a result of something, like you are always lasting longer during sexual intercourse. But for one reason or the other, might be due to marital issues, financial stress, or any other condition that can deviate the mind, that can make the mind unstable, because this man to fall within this range. In this case, it can be ruled out and then bring the man back to his normal lifestyle, like lasting longer during sexual intercourse. What is the next thing we should look at? Erecting dysfunction. Erecting dysfunction and premature ejaculation are different, two medical conditions. But these two medical conditions work interconnectively so much more that one can trigger the other one. In the condition where the man find himself finding difficult to find erection, or like cannot keep erection longer, it's going to trigger eh, premature ejaculation, because the moment they find the erection, they will have in mind like they should release as soon as possible. Erection take place to avoid embarrassment. It's very embarrassing when you erect and two or more friction, the penis dies down, you are unable to penetrate again the woman. In this condition, they will quick or trigger the premature ejaculation to come as soon as possible. Another condition here, or another truth, hidden truth here, is the partner situation. Partners are less concerned about the duration of intercourse, but then this group of men feel so low, having a very low self-esteem, feeling unsatisfied. I think having in mind that their partners do not give them that respect, do not have that love again, feel disappointed. Meanwhile, it is no. The opposite partner here is more concerned about this stressful situation, because it's actually stressful when you feel like your man used to last 10, 20 minutes during intercourse, and all of a sudden find himself within 1 minute to 6 minutes. Their issue is not about the duration of intercourse, but how to pull you out of the state. The moment they will understand the state of mind of the partners, is going to rule out some of the shorter time in intercourse. It's going to delay the ejaculation. And last and not the least, the seventh truth, hidden truth about premature ejaculation, is that there are effective treatment, there are effective management about this condition that many people do not know. Generally, they feel so low, like having a low esteem, to go and consult for this condition. It's difficult to even share with friends or with health personnel the situation he's going through, as not being able to satisfy the sexual partner. But then we need to know today that there are many factors, there are many solutions or group of solutions, unlike what the lifestyle changes. If you are someone with multiple sexual partner, cut down your sexual partner will do what? We help you identify some of the things that trigger or promote premature ejaculation. It can be stressful situation, poor hygiene of your sexual partner. Generally, men will keep side cheat, let me put it that way, like having other sexual partner aside their wives. They will realize that they last longer with the side cheat. The side cheat here is the woman you have out of your marital womb, out of your wife, aside your wife. Will you find why we are unable to last for 2 minutes? But with the side chicks or the woman out there, you can even go for an hour. So living away or reducing the sexual partner will help you to identify, is it the hygiene, are there position, their sexual position that can keep the man, that can promote the anxiety and enable the man to go for a longer sexual intercourse. Another one here is known as nutritional factors. If you keep a high standard in nutrition, it will help nourish cells and tissues around the reproductive system and keep this system healthier by so doing, giving high chance of longer intercourse and taking away the premature ejaculation. And also there are many medication, there are many treatment, there are many medication that can help reverse or resolve this condition medically. If you identify there is a pathology like prostatitis, this condition treated, or erecting dysfunction, it will help reduce what the this shorter time, it will help increase the time of intercourse, and many other techniques applied together. There are some complications that can arise from this premature ejaculation if care is not being taken off, unlike low self-esteem, separation, and eventually death, because the other sexual partner that may not find the satisfaction might feel like, let me go out there by soon having other complications like infection that can cause separation or death in this couple. Thanks for listening. See you for another next topic or presentation.